I'm always asked how I keep my smile so bright. And here's the truth, love. I don't use expensive kits, harsh chemicals, or any trendy gimmicks. Just a $10 routine that I've been using for years. It's clean, it's consistent, and it's real. I start my routine with plain baking soda. Yep, just that. It gently lifts the surface stains and freshens without damaging my enamel. It's super important. This I use once or twice a week as a polish, and it really makes a difference. In the weeks that I drink more tea, I may do an extra baking soda brush somewhere in between. But be careful with this. After that, I brush using my favorite toothpaste, which is Colgate Optic Renewal. This is not a paid video. This is what I do daily in my life. It's got hydrogen peroxide built in, so it brightens. And I use that in combination with my favorite electric toothbrush, my Sonicare. And I have been using a Sonicare for 2 decades. That combination really keeps my smile feeling and looking healthy. And amazing, because Sonicare toothbrushes help promote teeth whitening. So I think the combination of all of those things are just working together. Small steps add up to big results over time. And that's in everything that we do, right? A few times a month, I go in with a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and just rinse, just to help keep those teeth white and bright. Also, I love the cleaning it does on your gums. After brushing, I wash my face with a hydrating cleanser that I absolutely love. Then I pat it dry using these biodegradable, disposable cloths. I no longer use washcloths on my face. It's just not what I do anymore. It's one more way I stay gentle and intentional with my routine. Along my journey, I've started using eyelid cleansing wipes. I do them maybe 3 or 4 times a week. They remove buildup, they soothe my eyes, and they help keep everything fresh, especially after long days or wearing makeup. Next, this is my weekly hydration honey mask. It's incredible. It hydrates, smooths, and gives me that healthy, natural glow that really matches my smile. It's simple, it's soothing, and it feels like a little spa moment every single week. I love infused water. Today, it's watermelon, lemon, and lime. It hydrates, it supports digestion, and it just makes me feel like I'm loving on myself from the inside out. It's not just about glowing on the outside. It's about what you're putting in, too. This glow isn't just skin and smile deep. It's soul deep. So, that's it, love. My real whitening and glow routine. It's affordable, it's simple, and it works. If you love this, let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to film a nighttime version of my routine. And don't forget, your glow includes your smile. Take care of it, protect it, and smile through life like you mean it. I'll see you on the next video, love.